Registering with GST is a simple two-stage process consisting of Part A and Part B of the registration application. This video will introduce you to Part B of the registration application. To begin, access the GST portal at www.gst.gov.in. At the home page, scroll down and click the Register Now link. Select the Temporary Reference Number option. Enter the TRN that was generated on submitting Part A of the registration application and enter the CAPTCHA code as before. Click Proceed when done. This will send an OTP on your mobile phone number as well as email address. Enter the OTP when received and click Proceed. Notice the status of the registration application shows as Draft. Go ahead and click the Edit icon to continue. Part B here has 5 sections, with each section containing multiple fields that need to be filled up. Make sure to fill out all the mandatory fields. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete Part B. You get 15 days to fill and submit this application. The available fields depend on your selection in the Constitution of Business drop-down. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll select Government Department. Then, select the type of government and the date on which tax needs to be deducted. In the Jurisdictional Details section, select your sector, circle, ward, charge or unit and fill out the center jurisdiction details from the respective drop-downs. Click Save and Continue to save this information. Notice the color of Business Details tab has changed to blue and it now has a tick mark on it, which indicates that the respective section contains all the required information. Also notice that the Drawing and Disbursing Officer (DDO) section becomes active, where you'll need to enter the details of your Drawing and Disbursing Officer or a person who is responsible for deducting tax. Fill out the personal information, the identity information, and the residential address of the Drawing and Disbursing Officer. Next, upload the photograph of the person whose information is provided, making sure it is in JPEG format with up to 100 KB in size. In the Other Information section, select the slider to Yes if this person needs to be an authorized signatory also. Let's keep this to No for now and save this information to move to the Authorized Signatory section. Check the Primary Authorized Signatory option and enter relevant personal information of this person. Notice that the registered mobile phone number and email address gets filled automatically. After personal information, enter the identity information, residential address, and upload a photograph of this person based on the given parameters as before. You can add multiple authorized signatories by using the Add New option. Once done, click Save and Continue as before. In the Office Address of Tax Deductor section that opens next, fill out the address of your business premises, the contact information of the given location, nature of possession of the premise, and attach a document such as electricity bill that supports this information. You will see more options in this drop-down. While attaching, please make sure that the document is in PDF or JPEG format with up to 1 MB in size. Click Save and Continue to proceed. And verify the entered details before submitting the form. Check the declaration statement, select the name of the authorized signatory and enter the name of place. Finally, submit the application using one of the 3 options displayed on your screen. In this example, I'll submit my application using the Electronic Verification Code (EVC) option, which requires entering the OTP for authentication. Once the form gets submitted successfully, the GST portal will display a success message. It's that simple.